June 17, Monday. No, it's Tuesday. Going to eat breakfast. It's 8 in the morning right now. We're still here in Tennessee. It's rainy so far. Na-check ko kahapon, halos ulan maghapon hanggang gabi ng 8 or 9 or 7. Tuloy-tuloy. We're back to the game. We're going to have signature sa players. Punta tayo dun sa pwesto nila. Back at the game. It's my last day game today. We're going back to Nashville tomorrow. Hi, have a good day. Can I have your signature here?
Yes.
Thank you. They're the players tonight. What is your name?
Nathan.
Nathan? And then you?
Ethan.
Ethan. Oh, it's very close name.
Yeah, pretty close. Similar.
Yeah, thank you. Paperma tayo, Zay. Maliit lang yung nilagay nila. Back to game. It's our last day game. We're going back to Nashville tomorrow. Wala, it's a little only. They have open only. They have open. Ayan. And see by Anthony Street and the rockets reckless.
Better dig.
Rockability, go Bulls!
Your friends, flashlights on right now across the stadium, right now, right now.
Good morning everybody. Today we're going up to Nashville today. I think we stay for one day and then going to Kentucky, back to Nashville. 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. Okay, we have 5 days left. Siguro Nashville, 3 days Kentucky. Or 1 day Nashville, 1 night I mean, and then 3 days Kentucky, back to here in Nashville, and then flight. Oh, ang daming bird, oh. Anyway, so yan yung pinaka-plan namin or agenda sa aming coming pag-alis dito sa Jackson, Tennessee. Nashville is inside of Tennessee because Tennessee is the state. So Nashville is the city. So, yun, we're up right now. So, I hope no rain, magandang araw. So far, maaraw naman, pero maraming ulap, which is makulimlim. Pero lumalabas yung araw.
Check out the pictures on the Mix 929 Facebook page.
Nashville. Already in Nashville.
At the light, use the second from the right lane to turn right onto Spring Street.
There it is. See the big guitar sign?
Oh.
That's an NFL football stadium. And then you got, are you taking a video? And that's the new one.
maghapon. Pero, Jay. Umuulan na eh, no? Umuulan na. Nag-uwian na. Sarado na din dito. Walang ulan-ulan. Tuloy ang laro.
Now running from the Sounds, the catcher, number 9, Anthony.
Ayan, time check. That's the time. Totoo yan. Walang pagloko-loko yan. Still playing. So Kentucky, an hour going there. Drive now. Not everyone have it. So we are now in Kentucky. We stay here in Windom today until 23rd. So on the 23rd is our flight going back to Florida. So dito kami magstay day, and then before maybe on 22, yeah, we're going back to Nashville kasi dun yung flight namin. Kentucky 19, 20, 21, 22 back to Nashville, 23 is our flight. Yan yung update ko. Ayan, pupunta kami kasi we stay on the 3rd floor there. Going to the room right now. Go inside. Ba to? 3:14. Going to our room. We got early check-out today. Check-in today. Sa aming hotel. We have a game later today for baseball.
Where are you going?
This is our room. Ay, nakakamiss yung dress na to, yung sa Pinas pa ako. Ito. It's a bathroom. Okay. Bathroom. Then ref cabinet. Dress table. The bed. Yeah.
Great pass where it says jumping zone.
At the game. We're here back in Kentucky. Is this different stadium?
This is Bowling Green, Hot Rods.
Because the last time was Lexington.
Lexington.
This one is Bowling
This
Green.
is Bowling Green.
Okay.
Your way.
Good. Up now to the game. We're walking, going to the gates. We have 4 days here in Kentucky for watching baseball, and then Nashville on 23rd for our flight going back to Florida. Yay! Load muna kami laro dahil later again. Here's the entrance.
You get a picture of that sign, or don't you want any pictures?
In the entrance, bukas na dahil game today. We're on Bowling Green, Hot Roads, OBG. Yeah. Pasok na kami sa loob. Inside, nakapipicture ako sa mascot. We're at the game na. Wala pa tao dahil. Pero papasok pa lang ng entrance kasi kaka-open lang. We're in Kentucky Baseball. And Bowling Green. Yuhuu! Mamaya yan, pag marami ng tao yan, nalalakad siya, open siya. Hanggang doon. Dito. Lakadin ko yan, ikutin ko yan, yan, lahat yan. Pabalik doon. For here. Sa pinakagitna, center. Ayun o. From there to there. Nasa center ako. Dito tayo. Ikot-ikot. Dito pala yung mga cameraman sa likod.
All the way to digital sound. Science Express has what you need. Science Express is the official sound.
Ganda dito.
Thought they taught us some more. You go broke, they ain't gonna do nothing about it. I got the penthouse, I got the big.
Pabalik na ako dahil yan. Ibutan ako sa asawa ko. So ayun, nagtitiktok ako and then there's some person that close to me which is mga kabataan. So ang ginawa nila dahil lumapit sila sa akin tapos nagpa-picture tapos kinuha yung TikTok ko. Hindi ko sinabi na ano ako pero nakikita naman doon na married na ako, may sawa na ako, doon yung TikTok namin ng asawa ko. Hiningal ako. Sayaw ko ng sayaw. Naglipat ako ng pesto kasi pumunta sila dun sa mga players. Namingi sila ng baseball. Yun. Mga bata lang yun. Namingi sila. Ay, kinuha nila yung TikTok and then nagpa-picture. Hindi ko nga alam pangalan niya. Nakalimutan ko tinanong ko yun eh. Pero malalaman ko kasi magpapalo yun. So, ayun. May nakita tayong feeling pants. Char. Nakilala tayo. There's the sunset. Ang ganda. Last ano na lang, 2 or 3 innings yata tapos ng laro.
The twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and of the free.
It's warm up. Pag-uumpisa na, kakatapos lang ng national anthem. It's against the light. Dark siya, tingnan kasi maliwanag sa taas. Pero 7:56 na. Ang ganda ng langit. Dahil ang ganda ng sunset dito. Wow. Ayun yung Ferris wheel. Tubig dito kahapon. Walang tubig dito pagdaan ko. Meron na. Schwack hotdog as Carmeyer. Mag-open na haba ng pila. May previous na naman. So it's our last day of game. We're going back na pauwi.
You'll have to win to find out.
National anthem.
The service desk, and we'll get you set up for your next visit here at the Bowling Green Ballpark.
Ito na naman yung sunset natin today. Wow! Ikot lang. Hey! Ganda. Here, padilim na. So far, the score is 2-1. So, we score 2. Ikot-ikot ako dyan. Boring sa second. So, I'm back na here and I'll take you later. See you in the car. Congratulations again, the hot rod.